Why do the rich keep getting richer while others can't seem to get ahead? It's not just luck or privilege. It's about how they think, act, and invest. The truth is, financial success isn't determined by circumstances, but by the decisions you make every day. As Tony Robbins wisely said, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. In this piece, we'll unlock the 17 secrets behind the wealth-building habits of the rich, and more importantly, how you can use these strategies to transform your own financial destiny. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building your financial future. Stick around until the end. What you'll learn today could be the game changer you've been waiting for to start growing your wealth. Chapter 1. The Foundation of Wealth Building. 1. Thinking bigger than everyone else. The wealthy don't just solve problems, they solve big problems. Think of Elon Musk. His mission isn't to build another car company, but to revolutionize the future of energy and space exploration. You might not want to build rockets, but you can still ask yourself, am I thinking big enough? Challenge your limits, because the effort it takes to dream small is the same as dreaming big. 2. Keeping money ready for opportunities. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity, goes the old saying. The rich stay prepared by always having capital ready for investments. When the 2008 financial crisis hit, while most were panicking, investors like Warren Buffett were seizing undervalued opportunities. What are you doing today to prepare for tomorrow's opportunity? And 3. Value-based, long-term investments. Wealthy individuals know the magic of time and compound interest. Consider the story of billionaire Warren Buffett, who started investing at age 11 and built wealth patiently. The rich invest in assets like real estate or stocks, which grow over time, while many others focus on depreciating items like fancy cars or gadgets. Did you invest in income-generating assets like real estate or stocks? Type your comments below. Chapter 2. Understanding wealth management. 4. Spending only the interest, not the principal. Imagine living off the interest of your investments while your wealth continues to grow. That's the reality for the rich. By reinvesting earnings instead of touching the principal, they build generational wealth. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving, said Warren Buffett. 5. Financial education as a priority. If you want to be wealthy, you need to understand money. Successful individuals invest in their financial education. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, highlights how understanding the difference between assets and liabilities can completely change your financial trajectory. The rich constantly educate themselves so they can make informed choices. And 6. Surrounding themselves with other successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, said Jim Rohn. Wealthy people surround themselves with others who push them to grow. It's not just about networking, it's about being in an environment that cultivates success. Who is in your inner circle? Can you leverage on your inner circle to enhance your wealth creation abilities? Type your comments below. Chapter 3. Value creation and time management. 7. Creating value. The rich understand that value is not fixed, it's something you can create. Jeff Bezos didn't just build Amazon, he transformed the way the world shops. You don't have to be the next Bezos, but ask yourself, how can I create value today that others need? 8. Not trading time for money. Time is the one resource we all have equally, yet the wealthy refuse to trade it directly for money. They build businesses and systems that generate income passively, like real estate or intellectual property. Instead of asking, how much can I make per hour? Ask, how can I make money while I sleep? Are your assets generating passive income for you while you sleep? Type your comments below. Chapter 4. Emotional control and long-term vision. 9. Emotional intelligence over emotional reactions. Emotional intelligence is the key to both personal and professional success. Wealthy individuals know how to keep emotions out of their financial decisions. They understand that fear and greed can cloud judgment, so they focus on long-term goals, even when the market is shaky. 10. A positive attitude and no excuses. The rich focus on what they can control rather than blaming the government, their upbringing, or their environment. They understand that while external factors can influence life, Their response is what truly matters. As self-help author Jack Canfield said, "You only have control over 3 things in your life: the thoughts you think, the images you visualize, and the actions you take." By keeping a positive mindset and avoiding the blame game, they take full responsibility for their success, pushing forward despite any challenges they face. 11. Building the future. They want to live in. The wealthy don't wait for the future, they create it. Think of Steve Jobs, who envisioned a world with personal computers in every home. They designed businesses that shape the world, and that world, in turn, generates their wealth. Do you focus on what you can control rather than blaming the government, your upbringing, or your environment? Type your comments below. Chapter 5. Mastering the Game of Wealth. 12. Understanding the rules of the wealth game. The rich know that wealth is not just about hard work. It's about understanding the system. They study tax laws, investment strategies, and market trends to leverage their knowledge. "The more you learn, the more you earn," said Warren Buffett. 13. Influencing the rules. With resources comes influence. The wealthy often use their power to change the rules in their favor, whether it's through lobbying or starting foundations. While not everyone can rewrite laws, you can influence your personal rules by making smarter financial decisions. 14. Using leverage and other people's money. One of the biggest tools in a wealthy person's arsenal is leverage, using other people's money to multiply returns. Real estate moguls, for example, buy properties using bank loans, but they earn rental income and appreciation on the total property value. What kind of leverage did you use to accelerate your growth? Type your comments below. Chapter 6. Securing and protecting wealth. 15. Hiring smart people to protect their wealth. The wealthy understand the importance of expertise. They hire the best accountants, lawyers, and advisors to protect their assets. This allows them to focus on growing wealth, knowing they are well guarded. Don't be afraid to seek expert advice, even on a smaller scale. It's an investment in your future. 16. Detaching emotionally from money. Money is a tool. Used properly, it makes something beautiful. Used wrong, it makes a mess, said Bradley Vinson. For the wealthy, money is a resource, not an emotional crutch. By viewing money as a tool, they make rational, long-term decisions that lead to sustained growth. 17. Diversifying their income streams. One of the golden rules of wealth accumulation is diversification. The rich never rely on a single source of income. They invest in multiple assets like stocks, real estate, businesses, and intellectual property. Consider billionaire Richard Branson, who built his Virgin Empire across industries, music, airlines, and even space travel. This spread of income streams not only helps them grow wealth faster, but also shields them from downturns in any one sector. Ask yourself, how can I create more than one source of income? Diversification is one of the keys to financial resilience and continued wealth growth. How diversified is your income streams? Type your comments below. The wealthy aren't simply lucky. They follow proven principles that anyone can adopt. By thinking bigger, managing their time and money effectively, and surrounding themselves with the right people, they continually grow their wealth. The best part? You don't need millions to start. You just need to shift your mindset and take action like those who've already made it. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step. So what will your first step be? If today's insights inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more tips to help you take control of your financial future.